How to evaluate the function at a given value.
Knowing how to evaluate a function at a given value is very useful in the modern world. In business, it's used for things such as measurements and purchases. As a research scientist, one might use evaluating functions for portion sizes and combinations. In architecture, costs and measurements come into play often. Evaluating functions helps financial analysis. In this branch, they create budgets, balance accounts, or determine depreciation of value. Plug in their numbers. To evaluate a function for a given value, one must substitute the input or the number given for the variable. Step 1. Take the function and replace the variable for the number given. Step 2. Take the new function and solve. Evaluate the function for the given value. Given f of x equals negative 3x plus 20, where f is 8, you replace the variable x with 8. The next step is simply to solve. Using simple math, we know that negative 3 times 8, while it might be tricky because you would think it's 24, there's a negative sign, so now it's a negative 24. Now you add 20 to get negative 4. F of x equals negative 4.
If you're given the function f of x equals 2x plus 5, and you have to find f of 3, you would take the f of x and substitute the x for 3, thus making it 2 times 3 plus 5. After doing the math, 6 plus 5, f of x equals 11. Let's say you need to use division. If you were given the function f of x equals 6x over 3, and you have to find f of 2, you would do the same thing as the last problem. Take f of x, substitute x for 2, and you put that over 3. Continue to do the math. You get 12 over 3. And you divide 12 by 3, thus giving f of x equals 4.
This is the end.